you want to make money from home? And can you believe you don't even need to be an expert to do it? In this video, I will show you how you can earn $3,000 every month using a free tool called ChatGPT, even if you have zero skills today. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to be a writer, designer, or computer genius. You just need to know how to use ChatGPT smartly. Let me tell you a story first. Last year, my friend Jack was struggling. He wanted to make money online but didn't know where to start. He tried many things but failed. One day, he found ChatGPT. It changed everything. In just 2 months, he started making more than $3,000 every month. How? That's what you are about to learn. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel for more easy money-making tips. And remember, ChatGPT is like your smart friend. It can help you write, create, and even solve problems. And the best part? It works 24 hours for you without getting tired. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is like a talking robot on the internet. It reads, writes, and answers questions like a human. People started using it in 2022, and now, in 2025, almost everyone knows about it. It became super famous because it helps people do hard work in less time. Imagine having a smart friend who helps you with homework, writes stories, or even makes funny jokes for you. That's ChatGPT. Many people trust it because it is fast, helpful, and easy to use. The best thing? You don't need to be a computer expert to use it. Even kids can try it. Why are people making money with ChatGPT? Jack, my friend, is just one example. Many people like him are now making real money. How? Because businesses, YouTubers, and social media pages always need help. They need people who can write posts, make videos, or create small projects. ChatGPT makes these jobs super easy, and that's why people are getting paid. 5 simple ways to earn with ChatGPT. 1. Writing YouTube scripts. One of the easiest ways to make money is by helping YouTubers. Every day, thousands of YouTubers need scripts for their videos, but not all of them are good at writing. Here's where you can help. You can ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube video script. Just type the topic, like top 5 funny animal moments, and ChatGPT will give you a full script. You can then sell this script to YouTubers. Many YouTubers pay $30 to $100 for just one script. Imagine if you sell 30 scripts a month. You can already reach your goal of $3,000. 2. Selling ebooks. Have you ever read a short book online? Those are called ebooks. People buy them to learn about things like cooking, fitness, pets, or even fun facts. With ChatGPT, you can create your own ebook in just a few days. You don't need to be a great writer. And just tell ChatGPT, make a simple ebook about cat care. And boom, you get a book ready to sell. You can sell these ebooks on websites like Amazon or Gumroad. If you sell your ebook for $10 and 300 people buy it, guess what? That's $3,000 already in your pocket. 3. Social media posts. Big brands and small businesses always need help with social media. They post pictures, videos, and short texts every day. This is called content. Many businesses don't have time to write captions, quotes, or fun facts. ChatGPT can help you make these fast. You just write, "Give me 30 funny quotes for Instagram," and ChatGPT gives you a list. Then you can sell these posts to businesses. Some people charge $100 for making 1 month's social media posts. If you help just 30 clients a month, that's already $3,000. Simple and fun, right? 4. AI art and images. Did you know you can also make pictures using AI? Many people use tools like DALL-E or Midjourney with ChatGPT. These tools create beautiful images just by typing words. For example, you can tell it, make a picture of a cute dog flying in space, and it will make it for you. People buy these images for books, t-shirts, websites, and more. You can sell your AI-made pictures online on websites like Etsy or Redbubble. Some people make hundreds of dollars every week by selling cool and funny designs. It's like making art without even drawing. 5. Helping businesses with small tasks. Businesses have so much work like writing emails, making product descriptions, or answering common questions, but they don't have time to do it all. ChatGPT can do these small jobs for them. You can help by offering services like, I will write emails for your business using AI. It sounds simple, but people are making real money with this. You can find clients on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Some clients pay $50, $100, or even more for just a few hours of work. If you keep helping businesses every week, you will easily reach $3,000 a month. Step by step, your first $3,000 plan. Now, let's make a simple plan to help you get your first $3,000. You don't need to rush. Just follow these easy steps one by one. Step 1. Choose one method first. Pick just one thing you like the most. Do you enjoy making videos? Then go for YouTube scripts. Love books? Try ebooks. Like social media. Help with posts. Don't try everything at once. Jack, my friend, first started with YouTube scripts only. Later, when he became confident, he tried other things. So, keep it simple. Step 2. Use ChatGPT. Smartly. Next, you need to learn how to ask ChatGPT the right questions. These are called prompts. The better your prompt, the better the answer. For example, instead of saying, write a story, say, write a fun YouTube script about 5 amazing dogs who saved people. ChatGPT will give you a much better answer. Practice every day. You will become better and faster. Step 3. Find clients or sell online. After you make your scripts, ebooks, or images, it's time to sell them. You can use websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, or Amazon. You don't need to be shy. Just post your work and tell people you are ready to help. Remember Jack. He found his first client on Fiverr by just offering YouTube scripts. Soon, more clients came, and his income grew. Step 4. Repeat and grow. This is the magic step. Just keep doing it again and again. The more you help people, the more money you make. You don't need to be perfect. Just stay active, deliver good work, and you will see results. Jack kept working daily, and after 2 months, he reached $3,000 every month, all from home. Tips to succeed. Faster. Now you might be thinking, can I really do this? Yes, you can. Here are some easy tips to help you make money faster. Tip 1. Keep learning. The more you use ChatGPT, the better you will become. Try new things every week. Watch for YouTube videos about ChatGPT tricks. Learn how other people are using it. My friend Jack did this, and he found new ways to make even more money. Tip 2. Be patient. Remember, money does not come on the first day. It might take a few weeks or even a month to get your first $100, but don't give up. Jack almost quit in the first week, but I told him, be patient. He listened, and soon he saw results. Tip 3. Use free tools. You don't need to spend money. Use free tools like Canva for designs, Google Docs for writing, and Fiverr to find clients. Many people make money without spending anything at the start. Tip 4. Don't give up. This is the most important tip. Some days will be slow and you may feel like stopping. But if you keep going, you will reach your goal. Remember, even Jack felt lost, but now he's making $3,000 every month. Final words. So, now you know the secret. You don't need to be a genius, a writer, or a computer expert to make money with ChatGPT. All you need is a little time, a little practice, and the courage to start. Remember, even Jack had no special skills. He was just like you. He didn't know how to make videos, write books, or create social media posts. But when he used ChatGPT, he found a smart helper. And step by step, he reached his goal of making $3,000 a month. And you know the best part? You can do this too, from anywhere in the world. You don't need an office, you don't need fancy tools, and you don't even need a boss. You just need a computer or a phone and the internet. So, why wait? You can start today, pick one method, Ask ChatGPT for help and try your best. Even if you make your first $100, it's proof that it works. From there, you can grow bigger and faster. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, like this video to support us. Subscribe to the channel for more easy money-making tips. Comment below, have you ever used ChatGPT? Or will you try it after watching this video? Share this video with your friends who also want to make money online. I hope you feel ready to start your journey. Remember, ChatGPT is just a tool, but you are the real power behind it. Now go, make your $3,000 story, just like Ali did.